Welcome back student. Class 12th account part 20. Fundamental of partnership has been divided in three parts. Before this, from video number 1 to 19, where we were discussing about the fundamental part 1. One question always comes from the part 1, one question from part 2 and one question from part 3. So from fundamental there are overall comes nearly 3 questions each year. So this is the part 2, past adjustment. Past adjustment means this is also a rectification of error. Before this, in video number 18 and 19 also we have discussed the rectification of error. But there we pass so many entry for making the rectification. Here we pass only a single entry for rectification of error. So how we will pass the single entry for rectification of error? What will be entry? Now see in the last. If here the amount will come debit, suppose A amount has come debit and B amount has come credit, then you will pass the entry A debit, B credit, A capital account debit to B capital account. Only one entry. Suppose A has the credit balance and B has the debit balance. In that case, B capital account debit to A capital account. So what is the result is here? According to that you will pass the entry. What we recorded here? Mostly here error are related to the appropriation. Appropriation like interest on capital, partner salary, bonus, commission and corrected divisible profit. You know all these you record in partner's capital account credit side. So we write here credit and interest on drawing. This you record in partner's capital account debit side. So we write here debit. So if in the question interest on capital is not recorded or under recorded, partner's salary, bonus, commission not recorded or under recorded, or corrected divisible profit not recorded or wrongly distributed, all these correct amount you will recorded here and make the credit. And interest on drawing you will make the debit. When you make the total of these, credit should be added and debit will be less. If here credit is more, you will write total credit. This is the credit. Or if debit is more, you will write here debit. And just reverse of this, you will make here indication. Suppose here total has come the credit, then profit already distributed, you will write here debit. But if this total has come the debit, now here you will write the profit already distributed credit. And after then again you make the total. Here always will come the nil. And here the amount will come either debit or either credit. After then, if any charges means those transactions you record in PL account, like an interest on loan, manager commission, rent of the premises, in that case all these always will be debit here in the profit sharing ratio. this case, when you will pass the entry, all these will be credited at the time of entry. So when you will pass the single entry, at that time this interest on loan account will be credited, manager commission will be credited, and whatever the result here has come of the partners column, that will be also debit and credit. So this is the overall past adjustment. Now we will discuss some questions on this table pattern. So first, this is necessary that you learn this, that interest on capital will be credited, partner salary, bonus, commission will be credited, correct divisible profit will be credited, interest on drawing will be debit. When you will make addition, all the credits should be plus and debit will be minus. This result, if come in the minus, that you write debit. This result come in the plus, you will write the credit. After then, if here total has come debit, you will write here credit, just opposite. Or if here total has come credit, here you will write the debit. And after then, this debit or credit, you will make the addition of these two, these debit and credit will come. After then, you will record the charges. Interest on loan, manager's commission, rent of the firm premises, all these will be always debit. Again make the total debit or credit and write here what is the result of either debit or credit. If this portion is also including, then at the time of entry, these items will be also credited in the entry. Or if these are not, answer will be here and only partners capital account debit and partners capital account will be credited. So we will discuss some numerical on this, then you can understand this in a proper way.